I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic window switch. First, determine if the problem affects just one window or all of them, as this helps narrow down the cause. Next, inspect your vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses that might be interrupting power to the window system. Also, pay close attention to any sounds from the window motor when you press the switch. A lack of sound often indicates a power issue or a faulty switch itself. This initial diagnosis is crucial for an efficient repair. Once you've diagnosed the problem, the next step is to remove the old switch. Begin by gently prying up the trim panel that surrounds the window switch assembly, usually with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. After the panel is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their small release tabs. Finally, unscrew any retaining screws that hold the switch unit firmly in place on the door panel. Take your time to ensure no wires are damaged during this process. Now it's time to install your new window switch. First, carefully connect the new switch to the vehicle's electrical harness, ensuring each connector clicks securely into place. Next, position the new switch assembly into the door panel opening and fasten it using the screws you removed earlier. Finally, align the trim panel and firmly snap it back into its original position around the switch. Test the window operation immediately to confirm the repair is successful. After installation, thoroughly test all window functions, including the auto up and down features, to ensure everything works perfectly. For long-term smooth operation, consider applying a silicone lubricant to your window tracks every few months. This helps prevent future issues. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your Civic's windows running smoothly. Also, for those looking for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.